468 Caron Avenue. This is the entrance area. Bright sunroom. Second entry door. This is the living room. You have the central heating and cooling system. Smart Google Nest. That's the first room in the main floor. Big bright room. Leading to the kitchen. Big washroom. Then the second floor. There's the second room. Every room has closet. There's the third bedroom. Again, you have closet, all the furnitures. It's the fourth room. You have a big walk-in closet. And then we have the fifth room. Another big room with a big closet. You see the backyard from here. There's the second washroom. Big washroom here. We have a big backyard.